noticed in this 2013 Cadillac CTS. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. Low emissions and the good fuel economy offered in this vehicle are important to you and the environment. The powertrain includes all-wheel drive with a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. The sunroof lets fresh air in. Memory settings are just one of the extras. Call today to schedule a test drive.